Only 4 jumbo shrimp? No problem. Today I'm turning these tiger shrimp into a full-on gourmet plate that will make your mouth water. Let's go. So we're going to start off by washing our shrimp. Add your shrimp to some water, and then we're going to add a little bit of vinegar just to clean it up a little bit. Alright, drain that water off, and then we're going to split our shrimp open. Not all the way, but we're going to kind of butterfly it a little bit, and then we're going to add our seasoning. Alright, so at this point your shrimp should look a little something like this. Alright, so now we're going to give it a final rinse, and then we're going to apply our seasoning. Here I have half teaspoon of salt and pepper, garlic powder, and some chili powder. So you want to combine all 4, make sure it's nicely mixed, and then we're going to season our shrimp. Alright, so for the next step, guys, you're going to need some garlic, you're going to need lime, butter, and some scotch bonnet pepper for that extra heat. Go ahead and turn your stove to about a medium heat, and then we're going to add a drizzle of oil. Make sure the pan is nice and hot, and then we're going to sear our shrimp for about 2 minutes per side. Now we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter to our pan, the same skillet that we sear the shrimp in, and then we're going to add our garlic mixture, that we made earlier with that lime juice and scotch bonnet pepper. Add that in, and then we're going to mix it and cook it for about 1 minute. Now we're gonna pour that buttery sauce right on top, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. If you love seafood and you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.